Hi everyone, welcome to the Flying Machine channel. As an independent country, Russia always has a way to respond to challenges in various industrial sectors, including the aircraft industry. Recently, Russia presented a new commercial aircraft named Irkut MC-21. The aircraft will compete with the Airbus A320Neo, Boeing 737 MAX, and Comac C919 in the single-aisle market. Russia claims that the Irkut MC-21 has up to 15% lower operating costs than its competitor aircraft. What advantages does the Irkut MC-21 have? This is what we will discuss in this video. But before continuing to the discussion, let's support the Flying Machine channel by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. The Irkut MC-21 is a narrow-body commercial aircraft designed and manufactured by the United Aircraft Corporation, Russia's largest aircraft manufacturer. Design of the Irkut MC-21 aircraft began in 2007. Initially, the aircraft was designed by the Yakovlev Design Bureau, together with the Irkut Corporation, to replace the aging Tupolev Tu-204 and Yakovlev Yak-42 aircraft. This design only materialized in 2017, where the first prototype of the Irkut MC-21 aircraft managed to fly for 4 hours in a test session on May 28, 2017. It took about 10 years to develop the aircraft from the initial design to successfully make its first flight. In terms of design, the Irkut MC-21 has a low-wing monoplane design like commercial aircraft in general. The aircraft comes in two variants, namely the Irkut MC-21-300 as a standard variant and the Irkut MC-21-200 as a shortened variant. The standard variant, the MC-21-300, has a length of 42.2 meters, a height of 11.5 meters, and a wingspan of 35.9 meters. In terms of aerodynamic balance, the aircraft is designed quite uniquely by combining many domestically made technological innovations, one of which is composite wing technology. The wings and fins of the aircraft are made of 45% carbon fiber composite material, so the structure is stronger and lighter than competing aircraft which still use metal wings. The lighter structure can certainly improve performance and fuel efficiency. The aircraft has a spacious cabin that can accommodate up to 163 passengers in a two-class configuration, namely business class and economy class. In an empty state, the aircraft weighs 36 tons, and the aircraft has a payload capacity of up to 43 tons, consisting of 23 tons of useful payload and 20 tons of fuel, so that when fully loaded, the aircraft can have a maximum displacement of up to 79 tons. To support this weight, the aircraft is equipped with retractable tricycle-type landing gear. The aircraft has 6 landing gear configurations with 4 main gears and 2 nose gears. In the engine sector, the aircraft is powered by 2 P&W 1400G high-bypass turbofan engines developed by Pratt & Whitney Canada. Each engine is capable of producing a thrust of 31,000 pound-force. The aircraft is capable of flying at a maximum speed of 870 kilometers per hour and flying up to an altitude of 41,000 feet. With a standard payload, the aircraft can cover a distance of up to 6,350 kilometers. Besides that, Russia is also developing a new domestic engine to power the Irkut MC-21. By involving Aviadvigatel as a leading aircraft engine manufacturer in Russia, the Irkut MC-21 will then be powered by a PD-14 turbofan engine. This engine is capable of providing performance and efficiency similar to the P&W 1400G engine made in Canada. The Irkut MC-21 with the PD-14 engine will be available as a variant of the MC-21-310. In operational terms, the aircraft is flown by 2 pilots. The control of the aircraft is carried out using a side stick, and of course it is supported by fly-by-wire technology and various sophisticated instruments. To take off and land, the plane needs a distance of about 2,200 meters. The list of specifications for the standard variant of Irkut MC-21 is as follows. At the time of this video, a standard variant of the Irkut MC-21 was priced at around $96 million. This price is certainly cheaper than the price of its competitors, be it the Airbus A320Neo, Boeing 737 MAX, and Comac C919. Until now, Irkut MC-21 has been ordered by various airlines for more than 150 units. First deliveries are expected for Russian airlines in 2023 and international airlines in 2025. United Aircraft Corporation predicts sales of the Irkut MC-21 in the next 2 decades to reach 15,000 units. That's the discussion about the Irkut MC-21 aircraft. Will this aircraft be a strong competitor in the single-aisle market? Let's discuss in the comments column. See you in the next video.